Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best powdered coffee creamer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Nestle Caffeine Mate Coffee Creamer. The best choice for powdered coffee creamer in our list is the Nestle Powder Coffee Creamer, French Vanilla. This French vanilla flavor adds plenty of great sweetness and taste to your morning coffee. This powdered creamer is lactose-free, meaning anyone can enjoy this creamer with their coffee. This premium French vanilla powdered creamer is easy to mix in with your coffee, as you simply just pour however much powder you want into your coffee and stir until it turns a lighter color. The end result is a coffee that is smooth and rich in vanilla flavor. This is one of the more popular flavored creamers around, and Nestle is also known for making a very tasty hazelnut flavor as well. But for the French vanilla, many people say it's the best way to start the morning because it adds plenty of character to that morning coffee. Some people even say that because of the sweetness of the vanilla flavor, they don't need to put as much sugar into their coffee as well. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Laird Superfood Coffee Creamer Vegan. The Laird Superfood Coffee Creamer Vegan is our best choice for people who are looking for the most affordable powdered creamer options. This powdered creamer is plant-based and is a healthy choice for people who are vegan and gluten-free diets. This regular flavor creamer is dairy-free too and does not contain any GMO ingredients. The ingredients are naturally sourced from sustainable providers. Health-conscious people will especially like this powdered creamer because it doesn't include any artificial ingredients or sweeteners that many powdered creamers will have in order to preserve its sweetness and taste. This powdered creamer is made coconut milk powder as its primary ingredient, and some sweetness is added from the organic coconut sugar. All the ingredients in this powdered creamer are organic, including the coconut oil as well. It also features aquamin, which is a rich and health mineral, to promote a healthier diet. At number 8, we have the Vital Proteins Collagen Coffee Creamer. The Vital Proteins Collagen Power Coffee Creamer is a powdered creamer choice that is non-dairy and also has numerous health benefits. Starting with the collagen-focused proteins in this creamer, it aids in promoting healthier skin, hair, and joints. Each serving of this creamer produces roughly 10 grams of collagen. This boost in a healthier life is made possible by the energy supplementing medium-chain triglycerides, MCT. MCTs are a beneficial and healthy type of fat derived from coconut milk, and is why this powdered coffee creamer gives off a slight coconut taste. At number 7, we have the Zine Natural Foods Organic Coconut Milk Powder. If you're looking for a powdered creamer that tastes similar to fresh coconut milk, look no further than the Zine Natural Foods Organic Coconut Milk Powder. This organic powdered creamer uses only the healthiest ingredients to produce a creamer taste that tastes like coconut milk. This health-conscious creamer choice is great for people that pay close attention to the ingredients. What they'll see is that this powdered creamer contains no dairy, gluten, additives such as sugar, and no chemicals. This product is imported all the way from Vietnamese farms where fresh coconuts are grown, and the coconuts used are a great source of MCT. Many vegans love this creamer choice because it does not contain dairy or milk and is a fantastic superfood substitute for their diets. But what many people love this coconut milk powder for is its versatility. Yes, it tastes amazing in coffee, but it also tastes great in foods such as smoothies, pancakes, and yogurt. At number 6, we have the 360 Nutrition Keto Creamer with MCT Oil. Another perfectly great and healthy powdered creamer choice is the 360 Nutrition Keto Creamer with MCT Oil. As we know already, MCT oil is one of the healthiest oils you can consume, and it is featured prominently in this powdered coffee creamer. Along with MCT oil, this coffee creamer is also made with coconut oil to give it a very natural sweetness thanks to the sugar derived from the coconuts. The result is a magically refreshing and wonderful tasting coffee that is also keto-friendly. People that are lactose intolerant will also be happy to know that this creamer comes dairy-free and also does not use any animal products as well. If you're looking for artificial flavors, you won't find any in this creamer, which is great for vegans and people who are gluten-free. At number 5, we have the Laird Superfood Non-Dairy Coffee Creamer. Laird makes another appearance on our list of powdered coffee creamers, but this time, it's their Superfood Non-Dairy Coffee Creamer Cacao Powder Coconut Creamer that we'll feature here. This powdered coffee creamer is plant-based, and the primary difference between this one and the other one on our list is that this one is unsweetened. Some people prefer unsweetened creamers as they either prefer their coffee with no sugar or want to use their own sugar. This unsweetened powder creamer is also free of dairy and is gluten and soy-free, and is vegan-friendly. For people on the keto diet, this is perfect because of its lack of sugar content. Keto dieters will especially love this creamer because it's made of coconut milk powder and coconut oil. At number 4, we have the Primal Coffee Creamer. The Primal Coffee Creamer Powder with MCT might just be right for them. This powdered coffee creamer comes in a super tasty butter pecan flavor. Primal takes it a step further and says it tastes similar to that scoop of butter pecan ice cream you had when you were a kid. Don't let the sweetness of ice cream fool you, however, as this coffee creamer is made of top-notch ingredients for a healthier lifestyle. Starting with the inclusion of coconut milk and coconut oil. Both are great ingredients to have in a creamer. Another key ingredient is the usage of MCT, a fatty oil that is one of the healthiest ones to consume. This coffee creamer is also beneficial and consumable for people on strict diets like the keto diet. Despite the sugary-sounding flavor of butter pecan, this creamer is actually low in sugar and only 1 gram of carbs. Vegetarians and non-dairy enthusiasts will also be able to use this powdered creamer in their coffee, since it is friendly to people who are lactose intolerant. At number 3, we have the Leaner Creamer Peppermint Mocha Coffee Creamer Powder. This powdered creamer is another one that focuses on the ingredients as it uses all natural and healthy ones to ensure you get proper nutrition out of it. Among its most beneficial ingredients, they include coconut oil as well as green tea extract. Like many other powdered creamers on our list, this creamer is free of sugar and gluten and contains no artificial coloring. As for the taste, many people really enjoy the smoothness of the peppermint and mocha flavors, as they say it offers just the right amount of flavor, but one that isn't overpowering. According to Leaner Creamer, this creamer also includes herbs found in teas to help increase your energy levels to keep you feeling more refreshed throughout the day. At number 2, we have the NJOY Coffee Creamer. For people that are shopping for terrific value in a powdered creamer, plenty of people have enjoyed the NJOY Coffee Creamer Powder. This powdered coffee creamer is perfect for your morning coffee, and in buying this pack, it is sure bound to last you for a long time. This powdered coffee creamer comes in a value pack of 8 canisters, with each canister containing 16 ounces of coffee powder. Thus, if you're looking for a powdered creamer to last you a long time, this is probably the best choice for you. It is a simple, no-frills type of creamer too, if that's what you're after. It's not a flavored coffee creamer and is perfect for people who just want that normal creamer taste in their coffee. The best thing about this value pack is that the creamers will stay good for a very long time as well, giving you peace of mind knowing you have a while to use them all up. It also doesn't need to be refrigerated after opening, so that will save you valuable space in your fridge. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coconut Cloud Original Coffee Creamer. People that love coconut and the coconut flavor in their food and drinks, then they might want to see if they enjoy having a coconut-flavored powder coffee creamer. With the Coconut Cloud Premium Coconut Milk Powder, you'll get plenty of that coconut taste you love and in your coffee. This coconut powder creamer is a delectable delight in morning coffees, but better yet, many people also love using this flavored powder to make their own coconut milk. Simply mix in some of this powder with hot water and voila, instant coconut milk that can be consumed or used in your other recipes. This coconut powder creamer is completely dairy-free, which means lactose-intolerant people can consume this with no effects. The coconut flavor in this creamer is derived from milk powder coming from high-quality coconuts. On top of being dairy-free, this powder is also free of lactose, gluten, and soy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.